They think you will give them what they want. Say some a sentence that contain some commitment vibes. Make them to understand why. Sad ending. This is the suffering, not deeply broken. You are their benefit, and for whispers and gossips around you. This passion is all about your new love. Hi Leo, welcome back to my channel Love Stories. Today I'm going to do your online psychic love reading for the month of July. Keep in mind that these readings are general. This may be resonate with you or maybe not resonate with each and every one of you. If it resonates with you, take guidance from these readings, and if it not resonate with you, you can simply ignore it. Let's get started. What are the Leo person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Leo? What are the Leo person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Leo? What are the Leo person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Leo? And we are having here Seven of Pentacles, the Hierophant, Page of Pentacles, the Hermit. What are the Leo's feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? What are the Leo's feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? Knight of Swords, Five of Pentacles, Ten of Swords, the Sun. What are the mutual energies? Temperance, the Fool. These are your cards and signs that could relate to your person. Leo with this Sun card, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Page of Pentacles, Seven of Pentacles, Five of Pentacles, Virgo with this Hermit, Taurus with this Hierophant, Sagittarius with this Temperance, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Knight of Swords, Ten of Swords. Your person is waiting for you. They are waiting for their fruitful result. They are in some kind of waiting room. They think they invest their 100% in this relationship, and they are quite hopeful towards you. They think you will give them what they want. They want commitment. They want marriage. They want paper, legal. They want to, bound you in some kind of legal, commitment. They are just waiting for you, and they are hopeful towards you, interested in you, and they want commitment. But somehow they are just in isolation. Some kind of they are not getting what they want from you, and that's why this person is isolation, and also feel like that you are step back. You take you are you put some kind of distance between this person and yourself. This person totally like, I think this person is some kind of isolation, and you are taking step, taking yourself away from this person. They want commitment, they want this connection, but I think something is not okay from your side, because your cards are like that. This person is waiting for you. Maybe they are waiting for you. When will you completely move down from your past relationships and give this person this commitment, this marriage, this your words? At least say something like, okay, I'm with you. Okay, we will work on this. Some kind of a slight commitment. Even say some a sentence that contain some commitment vibes. This person waiting from you, or just make them to understand. If you are not ready to give anyone a commitment, just give them, make them to understand why they are waiting for that, and they're hopeful towards you. You will, instead of making them to understand why you are not giving this person commitment, you will give them commitment. They are hopeful towards you, but you are, put some distance between this person and you, Leo, and you are aggressive towards someone. Definitely your cards are like that. You are angry, you are aggressive, unfinished business. Someone give you, the painful harsh ending, sad ending. You are aggressive, you can feel this, the other person's aggression towards you. This person hold you back with this Five of Pentacles. This person hold you back. This person is just like, left you alone in nowhere. Every time this person do that, not this person, the other person, every time this person do that, left you alone in, the some kind of, the, hold you back. You feel like that I'm abandoned. This person leave me suffering. You face that. This is the suffering. When you are sad, when you are in an ending, someone, when you have to give ending, when you fight back, when you are angry, aggressive, this is not good feelings and not good energies around you. This person hold you back. This is suffering. This person make you suffer. But this sun card, this is a really beautiful card. This thing is amazing. You are happy, you are bright, it will pass, it's just a temporary. Sun is there, this is a major arcana card. You're going to be happy inside. I think you are not that broken, not deeply broken. Oh, outside, yes, it hurts, but inside you are not that hurt because sun is there. You are not going to hurt that badly. You're not going to break inside badly. Sun is there, and this person want to, make peace with you. This person is trying to find balance. This person is trying to, be with you with mutual harmony. They're trying to cope up with you. They want to be with you. They want to understand you. Temptation, they feel some kind of temptation towards you, urge towards you, and they, for that, this urge, this temptation making them to balance their energies, that they can able to be with you. That kind of, vibes from this person. And you want to have a new beginning. Yes, you also, you want to get rid of these, bad energies, this suffering, this anger, this sadness. You want to get rid of all this, the bad energies and bad feelings, and you want to have a new beginning with this Fool card. Definitely you want a fresh start. Let's see what else we have for you. Okay, wow. Six of Pentacles, Page of Wands, and as an outcome, Five of Wands. This person totally get that you are a giver. You if you involve with them, you so gonna give. You becomes really generous towards them. This person know that, and this person is, for that they are willing to invest anything. You are their profit, you are their benefit, and for that they are willing to invest anything. They know that they will get a lot after that. You want a new love. There is a new love offer. You want fresh start, and there is a new love offer for you. Some, for definitely Leo, for some of you, maybe a lot of, for Leos, there is a new love offer for you. Just look around and work on this new love offer. And yes, you will work on this new love offer because you want to have a new beginning, and sun is there. There is some kind of, people fighting, talking, discussion. They are just like, talking about you. They are thinking about you out loud. Whispers and gossips around you. Competition is there with this Five of Wands. Okay, let's see what else we have for you. Leo, what else we have for Leo? Five of Wands, Ace of Wands, and Ten of Wands. Competition, people talking, whispers, discussions there. Upcoming week. New idea in your head. This person feel competition towards you. They think like that it's hard to, in order to get your attention, they have to work on this relationship, and they have to be more flirtatious, more caring, for more loving towards you, more organized towards you, in order to get your attention. Somewhere they are thinking about that. There's a new passion, a new idea in your head. I think this new passion is all about this passion is all about your new love. And some kind of baggages you are carrying with you, need to release these baggages, need to release these unnecessary things within you. Past, just don't, when we take past things with us, mostly it's regrets, it's fears. What if it's happened with me again? That kind of baggages you are carrying with you, need to drop that now. But human being, they are just like afraid, what if this happened with me again? These kind of things you are carrying with you, need to drop that unnecessary things. Let's see what your angel want to add in this reading. To make your decision, ask yourself, which way brings me closer to my divine purpose, which way takes me away from it. Amazing message from your angel. Ask yourself. Let's see what are the wise messages. Make peace with your memories, no matter what it's good or it's bad. See, forget it. Live in present moment. Seek for truth. These are few wise messages in the end, and the summary of your reading is this person is waiting for you. They are waiting for your, when will you commit to them? And they are hopeful towards this commitment. This person feel competition towards you. There is some kind of, you put some kind of distance between this person and you. because you are angry on someone. There is someone make you suffer, give you sad ending, but hopefully you are not going to break inside deeply. There is a new love offer for you, and a whole new idea in your head, a whole new passion in upcoming days for you. Maybe you carry some baggages with you, like what if this happened with me, and what if repeat with me again. Need to drop that. It's unnecessary things. Ask yourself. These are few summaries of your readings. Hope this helpful for you. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.